Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create frosted glass UI effects for your CSS project, and it looks way awesome. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser in your window, and on the browser, all you need to do is to just simply search for glass morphism. You can see if I write glass morphism generator. Just simply go for this. Just wait for a minute. Wait. Just search for glass morphism generator, and here in this website, all you need to do is to just simply open the first website that appear right in front of you, and here you can see the multiple settings available for you: the blur value, the refraction, the depth for the glass. It looks really awesome, and even the iOS provides for you the same effect with the iOS 26. Now here, from here, you can copy the code for this particular morphism that you have generated, and you can use this for your CSS projects, and it's totally free to generate multiple times multiple values. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.